Hi, good afternoon. This is me opening the new Bissell vacuum. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we have a brush, registration card, everything you need to know about the vacuum, an attachment hose, top piece, okay, let's see what we have here. Vacuum. Sorry, just trying to take this plastic off. Give me 1 second. Stick this piece in here. Stick this piece here. Put this piece in here. And cut this so you can plug it in and see how it does. Oh, guess it was already on. Very nice. Well, when cleaning day comes, I will update you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is my new Bissell 3508 series vacuum cleaner I got for $50. It doesn't have, I had a Bissell before and it had a dial right here where you could do low, medium, and high carpet, but it seems to have pretty good suction. I just did this small section here and I got that much hair. I have 4 pets, so here, let me give you a little demonstration. It's got pretty good suction. Sucking up the hair. Yes, that's a stain. I'll have to get out. Let me see what I can do here. Got it out pretty nicely. So, it only has one setting for the carpet length, but do like about it is it's very lightweight and the hose isn't very long to take off, but it's got a pretty long cord here. So as you can see, well, that was from my old Bissell. Some debris, I tried to fix it, but there was a part broken inside. So there's that. You just pop this off for cleaning and then open the little thing on the bottom right here. you just push that button and then it pops open and you just dump it in the trash. So overall, I mean, for $50, it's seems to be a pretty good vacuum. It has 2 attachments and that you know stay on. And that's it. My new Bissell.
Okay, this is a top view on how to empty the small cup in the top of this Bissell here. So you take this off first. This is to empty the bottom part here, and you simply hold this over your trash can and press this button here. It drops the red part down and out comes that part. And then for the cup in here that you want to remove, you're going to lift this up, this little tab here on the handle. And then it opens up, and then you pull this out, and now you have the cup there. And you just pull this right off, and a lot of times you'll have hair twisted around here and all kinds of debris in here. Usually I do this over the trash, but I didn't have that much in here. And then you just empty it, kind of twist that back on, and then here's kind of the tricky part, is getting this back in just right. And there's like little grooves right here, so you just kind of try to set this in, these little bits, set it right in. If you don't have it right, the lid won't close properly. You'll hear that click. Also, this little filter here does come out and you can hand wash it. I usually just rinse it out repeatedly under clear water, maybe use a little bit of soap, squeeze it like a sponge, squeeze it out, put it outside in the sun to dry for a day, and it's good to go. And that's it. I hope this was helpful for you.
that big, but it's powerful. I'm so excited. You can't understand how excited I am because there's this. Well, I cleaned up my doggy, got rid of all her hair, 500 pounds of it, but there's just hair everywhere. There's hair everywhere, but now with this, and I have a fancier vacuum out here. This is the Bissell, like I put in like power vacuum. It's cheap, $35. Hopefully can suck up a small cat. Can't wait.
Okay, so this was just delivered, literally. And I opened it and used it. I think it's a 10 out of 10. This literally got everything. I thought my rug was clean. Or at least, it didn't look this dirty. What? I'm amazed. 10 out of 10. Get you one of these.
Suction is so strong. Yeah, man. Super powerful. Oh.
It's the simple things, it's the energy. You don't need the lesson, you become the blessing given to me. They say it's something about the size.
My gosh.